What if losing your job wasn't bad luck? It was just a skill issue. Oracle, Microsoft, Amazon, they're all cutting jobs to invest in AI. And it's only getting worse. A friend of mine lost his job last week. So I opened Claude, connected it to job listings, and asked it to find roles for him. 4 minutes later, real jobs, tailored resume, cover letters done, no manual applying. And that's when it hit me. The people winning right now aren't smarter. They just know how to use AI better. People are already using AI to do deep research in minutes, build dashboards with zero code, create full presentations, even run repetitive work on autopilot with AI agents. So here's the real question. Are you getting replaced by AI or using it to do 3 times the work? If you actually want to learn this stuff, there's a free 2-day Generative AI Mastermind by Outskill. You'll learn how to use Claude for deep research, build AI workflows, automate tasks, create dashboards, generate videos and visuals, and even set up your own AI agents. It's mentored by leaders from Microsoft and NVIDIA. They've already helped over 10 million learners worldwide, and they currently have a 4.9 out of 5 rating on Trustpilot. Plus, they're giving 100% free access to the first 1,000 people. So if you're even slightly serious about staying relevant in the next few years, check the link in the description or pinned comment. So a friend of mine lost his job last week, and not because he wasn't good at it. His company just decided AI could handle it. Cheaper, faster, no complaints, and watching him panic, rewriting his resume for the 10th time, sending out applications one by one, it was rough. So I sat down with him, opened up Claude, plugged in the Indeed connector, and just asked it to find him relevant job listings. 4 minutes later, real, live job postings pulled directly in. His resume automatically tailored to match each one. Cover letters written and ready to go. No copy-pasting, no spending 3 hours on a single application. And that's when it clicked for me. The gap isn't about being smarter. It's about knowing how to use the tools that exist right now, because people are already doing wild things with AI. Deep research that used to take days, done in minutes on Claude, building fully functional dashboards and data visualizations with zero coding experience, writing complete client presentations from scratch, setting up AI agents that handle their repetitive tasks on autopilot, while they focus on the stuff that actually matters. This isn't some future thing. People are doing this today with tools that are free or almost free. And look, I want to be really clear about something, because I think a lot of people misunderstand what's actually happening here. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's restructuring what a valuable employee even looks like. Think about it this way. 5 years ago, if you could code, you had a massive advantage. 10 years ago, if you could edit video, you were in demand. Right now, in 2025, the person who knows how to use AI tools fluently is the most valuable person in any room. Not because they replaced a whole team, but because they can do the work of 3 people. Research, content, data, communications, without breaking a sweat. I've seen people use Claude to pull competitor research from across the web and summarize it into a clean report in under 10 minutes. Build a fully interactive dashboard from raw data, no Excel formulas, no developer needed, draft a complete pitch deck for a client meeting, structured, designed, written, start to finish, set up an AI agent that monitors their inbox, categorizes messages, and drafts replies automatically. And here's the part that gets me. None of these people are engineers. They're marketers, sales reps, small business owners, freelancers, regular people who just decided to actually learn how to use the tools. That's the shift. It's not AI versus humans anymore. It's humans who use AI versus humans who don't. Now here's the honest part, and maybe you can relate to this. Most people know they should be learning AI. They've seen the headlines. They've maybe even tried ChatGPT once or twice. But then life gets busy. They don't know where to actually start, and they just don't. And I get it, because the problem isn't motivation, it's clarity. There are hundreds of AI tools out there. Every week there's a new one. Every day there's a new tutorial. And most of it is surface level stuff, like here's how to write a prompt, which, cool, but that's not actually going to change how you work. What actually changes things is when you sit down and build something real. When you go from just prompting an AI to actually connecting tools together, automating a real workflow, generating something you can actually use at work or in your business, that's when it stops feeling like a trend and starts feeling like a genuine skill. And that's the kind of thing that takes, honestly, a proper structured learning environment, not just random YouTube videos. There's a concept I keep coming back to, and it's the idea of becoming an AI generalist. Not a coder, not a data scientist, not some hyper-specialized tech person, just someone who can pick up any AI tool, figure it out fast, and apply it across research, content, automation, communication, creativity, whatever the situation calls for. That person becomes impossible to replace, because they're not just doing one job well, they're multiplying the output of an entire team. And here's the thing, that's a learnable skill. It's not talent, it's not luck. It's just putting in the time to actually understand how these tools work together, which brings me to something I think is genuinely worth your time right now. Look, I'm not here to scare you, but I do want to be real with you. The companies cutting jobs aren't slowing down, and the people staying ahead of it aren't geniuses. They just chose to learn this stuff before everyone else did. So whether you grab that Outskill link or you just open Claude today and start experimenting, do something. Don't just watch this and move on. If this video gave you any kind of clarity, drop a like. It helps the channel more than you know. Subscribe if you want more practical, no-fluff AI content, because I've got a lot more of this coming.